Okay, so this is a classic indices question, dealing with negative indices and fractional indices. First of all, with negatives, when you've got a little minus here, obviously, if you're doing just a third to the power 2, you'd multiply a third by a third, and you get 1 times 1 over 3 times 3, or 1/9. The minus means that you do the reciprocal before you square it. Well, actually, you could square it and then do the reciprocal. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, the minus essentially means that you have to get the reciprocal, so you have to flip it effectively. The reciprocal of a third, well, it's 1 over a third, or it's the number that you multiply a third by to get 1. Either way, it's 3. So this is the same as 3 squared, which is 9. Some of you may be able to do that quite easily. Obviously, you've done that before at GCSE. It is good to write down the stages in the working, though, just to make sure of all the marks, because it's a 2-mark question. When you have fractional indices, again, there's a straightforward process to apply. The number on top, you deal with as if it were any normal index. So if you're working out 16 cubed, obviously 16 times result 3 times. It's the number on the bottom that's important. This 4 here means that you're going to take the 4th root. Now you can either cube the number here to 16 to the power 3 and then do the 4th root of that, or do the 4th root of 16 and then cube it. Generally speaking, you want to start by taking the root first, because this is C1, it's a non-calculator paper, and so the questions they're going to give you, you're going to be able to work out the 4th root of whatever number this is. So the 4th root of 16, the number that you multiply 16 by, sorry, the number multiplied by itself 4 times by to get 16 is 2. So this is the same as the 4th root of 16 cubed. I can write it like this, which is the same as 2 cubed, which is 8. Job done.